Join me as I take on the challenge of experiencing Alaska like never before with Norwegian Cruise Lines. Can I make the most of this incredible adventure? In this video, you'll discover how NCL offers a unique and unforgettable way to explore the stunning beauty of Alaska. Many travelers struggle to find the best way to explore Alaska's remote and majestic locations, making it difficult to fully experience its wonders. The vast wilderness, towering mountains, and stunning coastlines of Alaska are a far cry from the hustle and bustle of city life, and it can be overwhelming to plan the perfect trip. When you're struggling to choose between hiking through glaciers, kayaking through fjords, or exploring quaint coastal towns, it's easy to get stuck in the planning phase. The reality is that Alaska is so vast and diverse that it's hard to know where to start, and that's what makes it so difficult to truly experience its beauty. But what if you could see it all, without the hassle of planning every detail? Imagine waking up each morning in a new and breathtaking location, with a team of experts ready to guide you through the best experiences that Alaska has to offer. That's exactly what Norwegian Cruise Lines offers, a chance to relax, unwind, and let the experts do the hard work for you. With carefully curated itineraries that take you to the most stunning ports of call, onboard amenities that cater to your every need, and immersive shore excursions that bring Alaska to life, you'll be free to focus on what really matters, making unforgettable memories. We'll delve into the highlights of Norwegian Cruise Lines itineraries, showcasing the breathtaking ports of call, onboard amenities, and immersive shore excursions that bring Alaska to life. From the stunning scenery of Glacier Bay to the vibrant culture of Juneau, every moment of your cruise is carefully crafted to showcase the very best of Alaska. With itineraries ranging from 7 to 14 days, you can choose the perfect length for your adventure. And with a range of onboard amenities from fine dining to thrilling entertainment, you'll never be short of things to do. But it's not just about what's on board. With carefully curated shore excursions, you'll get to experience the real Alaska, up close and personal. One of the highlights of any Norwegian Cruise Lines itinerary has got to be the ports of call. Imagine waking up in the charming town of Skagway, surrounded by towering mountains and the stunning scenery of the Klondike Highway. Or picture yourself exploring the vibrant city of Juneau, with its rich history, stunning scenery, and abundant wildlife. Every port of call is carefully chosen to showcase the very best of Alaska, and with a range of excursions to choose from, you'll get to experience it all. From hiking through the stunning scenery of Mendenhall Glacier to kayaking through the breathtaking fjords of Tracy Arm, every moment is a chance to make unforgettable memories. But it's not just about the ports of call. With onboard amenities like the Mandara Spa, the Aqua Park, and the bars and lounges, you'll never be short of things to do. Experience the thrill of seeing glaciers calving, encountering wildlife up close, and enjoying authentic Alaskan culture as we highlight the most exciting moments on a Norwegian cruise. One of the most unforgettable experiences on any Norwegian Cruise Lines itinerary has got to be the chance to see glaciers calving, a truly breathtaking sight that's sure to leave you awestruck. And with expert guides leading the way, you'll get to experience the very best of Alaska's wildlife, from whales and bears to eagles and moose. But it's not just about the wildlife. With immersive shore excursions, you'll get to experience authentic Alaskan culture, from the stunning scenery of the Native Cultural Center to the vibrant atmosphere of the Alaskan Native Heritage Center. From whale watching in Prince William Sound to hiking through the stunning scenery of the Kenai Peninsula, every moment of your cruise is a chance to experience the real Alaska. And with Norwegian Cruise Lines as expert guides leading the way, you'll get to see it all, without the hassle of planning every detail. With carefully curated itineraries, stunning ports of call, and immersive shore excursions, you'll be free to focus on what really matters, making unforgettable memories. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, a Norwegian Cruise Lines journey has got it all. An NCL journey through Alaska offers unparalleled access to stunning landscapes, rich culture, and unforgettable adventures. If you're excited to learn more about cruising or want to share your own experiences, leave a comment below and don't forget to check out our other travel videos. Like this video? Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more luxury travel inspiration. Share this video with friends who love travel as much as you do. Let's make your next adventure unforgettable with Luxury First Travel. Visit us online at luxuryfirsttravel.com to plan your exciting Alaskan cruise today.